So she's taking a shower right now, and I'm about to pull a crazy one this time. I also got some baby powder. We're gonna dump the baby powder inside the blow dryer. What's up guys, it's your boy Art, and I'm back with another prank. I gotta keep my voice down because Silva's in the shower and we're about to get her. We're about to get her real good. So we need to run out the house because she has family in town and she's taking a shower right now. If you guys walk with me, let's run. Shh. So she's taking a shower right now and I'm about to pull a crazy one this time. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. So the story is, she's gonna take a shower. Her blow dry fan is here, and I know she's gonna come to this bathroom because she likes the lighting in the mirrors here. I also got some baby powder. We're gonna dump the baby powder inside the blow dryer, set it up right here, and I'm gonna set up a GoPro right behind this beauty right here. I'm gonna put one right here so she doesn't notice it, and we will wait for the reaction. So stay tuned, drop a comment, make sure you smash that subscribe button, and let's get this prank going, guys. Alright. So we got the fan right here. Oh yeah, y'all see that? Let's get the powder in here. Let's get it in here. Oh. Come on. More. We need more. Come on. Oh man.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I'll catch you in a few. Peace.
Do you know if it's cold outside?
What?
Do you know if it's cold outside?
It was cold earlier, so like 50, 55?
I should wear like a sweater? Or
Yeah.
like a shirt with a jacket?
Yeah, something light, not heavy.
Oh, can you bring the kids' clothes so I can fold it?
Yeah,
From the laundry?
yeah.
Oh my god, look at my face!
Let me see.
Bruh, look at this dude.
What are you doing? We have to leave!
Let me see again.
Oh my god!
Damn,
look at
girl.
my face.
Damn, girl.
What'd you? Oh my god, it smells!
What is it?
Oh my god, what'd you put in here? Is this flour?
No. Ew, it's burning, it's
Oh
burning.
my
Turn it off, turn it off.
God.
Turn it off, turn
What'd
it
you
off.
put in here?
Baby powder. Yo, you look so
You're
scary
like a
right
2-year-old.
now. You know how scary?
You're like a freaking 2-year-old. Look at my face. You're like a freaking 2-year-old.
It's fine, it's cool.
We have to leave. Oh my god, you're so stupid.
Girl,
This poor. Okay, but what am I supposed to do with this blow dryer now?
put it back in a box and send it back.
Oh my god, you messed up my dryer.
It's okay, don't be dramatic, it's fine. You're about to like cry, you're throwing a fit, relax. It's just a
I have to
usual.
wash it?
It's a prank. It's a prank. It's
Oh,
cool.
so I have to take a shower. Look at me. I'm covered in like whatever you put in there.
It's baby powder.
It's in my mouth.
It's fine.
It's disgusting.
Got him. Got him.
Get away, man. Ew, it's in my
Got
mouth.
Say hi. Hello.
Ew.
Hello.
No, get away.
Alright guys, whatever man, we got her with another one. You know we got her. We got her real good. She got to clean up and she needs to take a shower. So,
Again. We don't have time. We have to.
Alright, okay, you repeated that 16 times already, okay?
Oh my God.
Please say like, share, and subscribe.
I'm not gonna say that.
Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe. We got Silva with another one. Peace.